Hello and welcome to the Coffee Direct Kitchen, where today I'll be showing you how to make a bit of a treat, an Irish cream coffee. I'm actually planning on using the Swiss Water Decaffeinated blend, which is our most popular decaffeinated coffee. It's got a full body and flavour without the caffeine, a dark roast, and it's suitable for all brewing methods. So to make this coffee, you'll need a kettle, a cafetiere, a bowl and a whisk. I'm using a small cafetiere because this is only for one person, but if you want to make it for more, use a larger one and adjust the ingredients accordingly. To make it for one, you will need 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds, 125 ml of boiling water, 30 millilitres of Irish cream, 30 millilitres of Irish whiskey, or if you want to make it non-alcoholic, a whiskey extract, 30 millilitres of heavy cream, lightly whipped, and optionally you can top it with up to 30 ml of whipping cream and some freshly grated nutmeg. So to make this coffee, first put your coffee grounds in your cafetiere and then top with 125 ml of water. Place the lid on and leave to brew. This should take up to 4 minutes, in which time you would normally lightly whip the cream, but I've already done it. So by now your coffee should be nicely brewed. So all you need to do is press the plunger down and then pour it into your mug or heat-proof glass. Leave enough room for however much cream you want to put, as this can be done to taste. Then add your Irish whiskey or whiskey equivalent. Add your Irish cream. And then add the lightly whipped heavy cream. You can stir it and leave as it is, or you can add a little bit of whipped cream on the top. And add some freshly grated nutmeg. And just serve and enjoy. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to see some of our other recipes, head to our YouTube channel.